Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing Anker 621 magnetic portable charger, 5000 milliamp wireless power bank. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $26. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this power bank out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is Anker 621 magnetic portable charger MagGo 5000 milliamp wireless power bank. This is MagSafe-compatible battery pack for your iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12. Here are the sides of the box. This is from the Series 6 lineup from Anker. Here's the other side of the box. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here it is. Here is the back side of the box. Here it talks about how 80 million happy users are worldwide from that uses these Anker products. This has fast charging capabilities and comes with a 2-year hassle-free warranty. This is Anker 621 magnetic battery MagGo. Here's the model number and some specifications. And yeah, so we'll be trying out this power bank and see how it pairs up with Anker's iPhone cases. So this is Anker's MagGo magnetic case. This is particular for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but I believe this applies well with the latest iPhone 16 lineup. And let's go ahead and finally unbox this thing. So here it is. All we have to do is peel this tab across. There we have it. And now let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So I am super excited to unbox the Anker 621 magnetic portable charger and see how well it works with Anker's iPhone cases that has the MagGo capabilities. We will be also trying this portable battery bank with the OtterBox case that I have on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But here's what you will get. Here it comes secured with these it comes with these paper stock that protects the power bank. And here, let's open this compartment and see what we have here. So inside this compartment here, we have some reading materials, which we will check. And this does come with a USB Type-C to charge your power bank, USB Type-C to C. It comes with a safety sheet and a user guide, so you can always scan the QR code. You want to learn more on how this Anker 621 magnetic power bank works. And here we have some other information. 7.5 watt, as fast as original MagSafe chargers. Here it works with the iPhone 12 and above. It works flawlessly with the MagSafe-compatible phone cases by Anker. And if you got any question, you can contact, you can email their support line. And let's finally remove the packaging from the power bank and see what it looks like in person. So here what it looks like. Here's the Anker 621 magnetic portable charger. Here's the back side where you have the indicators where you stick the behind your phone. And here are the sides of the power bank, and here is where you would charge, and it has some LED indicator lights. And let's go ahead and take out our another portable power bank charger by Anker, which is here you can see the LED indicator lights. This indicates that this is 50% charge. And let's put this down, and like I said, take out this is an Anker power bank from the Series 5. This is the 521, Anker 521 magnetic portable charger. Let's see how it pairs up with the new one that I have on my right, 621. So as you can see, the differences, the 621 is a lot slimmer, but a lot taller in length. If you put it side by side, if you want to find out more about the 521, I made an unboxing video, which I'll put it in the video here, and let's go ahead and try this out. Before trying this out, let's go ahead and unbox the Anker magnetic MagSafe case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max that I have here. And I believe Anker also makes it for the current gen iPhone 16 series lineup, and here's what you will get. So here's the back side of the iPhone case from Anker. Here you have this minimal branding, which I like. It has a soft touch finish, a polycarbonate soft touch finish. Here you have your ring designed by Anker. And here are your cutouts on the iPhone 15 Pro Max cases. Here are your button layout. Nothing on the top. Here's your side where you power it on. And yeah, so here's your cutout for your camera. So let's go ahead and take our power bank, the Anker 621 portable charger, and see how well it sticks on to this iPhone case by Anker, which should work flawlessly. And yeah, so as you can see right there, you can see that you can trust Anker with your power bank in your case. And you can see if you as I wiggle it around, it's really hard to have this power bank detach itself. And yeah, so there you have it. So let's go ahead and take my iPhone 15 Pro Max OtterBox case, and it does work with OtterBox that has a MagSafe capabilities, but as you can see here, it doesn't stay on securely like the cases from Anker. So let's go ahead and remove my iPhone 15 Pro Max from the OtterBox case, and let's use the Anker MagSafe case and see how this works. So super easy and simple installation, as you can see right there. And here's the back side of the phone case, front side. And yeah, so same difference. Here, as you can see, it is charging by itself. And yeah, so you won't have any issues of worrying about having your phone case detach itself. Or if you have this in your pocket, you can rest assured that this will be charging your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So as you can see, the indicator light that it is charging. So that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about these products from Anker. Here we unboxed and tried out Anker 621 portable power bank and the Anker's MagSafe MagGo iPhone case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.